The Pacific Ocean is the largest and most expansive body of water on Earth, covering more than 155 million square kilometers. This means that the Pacific Ocean is so vast that it occupies nearly 1/3 of the planet's total surface area. To put it into perspective, the Pacific Ocean is larger than all the continents combined, stretching across an immense portion of the globe. If you were to take all the land on Earth and place it into the Pacific Ocean, there would still be room left for another continent. Its name, Pacific, comes from the Latin word mare pacificum, which means peaceful sea, a term given by the explorer Ferdinand Magellan in 1520. Despite its tranquil name, the Pacific Ocean is home to some of the most powerful storms, tsunamis, and volcanic activity on the planet. The Pacific stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south, covering nearly 19,800 kilometers at its widest point. It spans from the coastlines of Asia and Australia in the west to the shores of North and South America in the east. At its greatest length, the Pacific Ocean extends for almost 15,500 kilometers from the Bering Strait to Antarctica. This vast expanse of water is so massive that it contains over half of the world's oceanic water supply. The Pacific Ocean is home to the deepest place on Earth, the Mariana Trench, which reaches depths of approximately 10,928 meters. The deepest known point within the trench is called the Challenger Deep, which is so deep that Mount Everest could easily fit inside it with over 2,000 meters to spare. The average depth of the Pacific Ocean is around 4,000 meters, making it one of the most extreme and unexplored environments on the planet. Scientists estimate that less than 20% of the Pacific Ocean floor has been mapped, leaving vast portions of its depths completely unknown. Beneath its waters lie mountain ranges, volcanic ridges, and deep trenches that remain largely unexplored by humans. The Pacific is also home to the largest geological feature on Earth, the Mid-Pacific Mountain Range, which stretches across the ocean floor. The Pacific Ring of Fire, a region surrounding the ocean, contains more than 75% of the world's active volcanoes. This area is also responsible for 90% of the world's earthquakes, making the Pacific Ocean a hotspot for seismic activity. The Pacific Ocean influences global weather patterns through massive ocean currents, including the powerful Kuroshio and California currents. One of the most well-known climate phenomena, El Niño, originates in the Pacific and disrupts weather patterns worldwide. El Niño can cause severe droughts, flooding, and shifts in ocean temperatures that impact marine life and ecosystems. The Pacific Ocean is home to some of the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth, from deep-sea hydrothermal vents to vibrant coral reefs. The Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system, is located in the Pacific off the coast of Australia. More than 25,000 islands are scattered across the Pacific, making it the most island-filled ocean in the world. Some of the most remote and untouched islands on Earth, such as Easter Island and the Galapagos Islands, are located in the Pacific. The Pacific Ocean is so vast that it has its own time zones, spanning nearly a full day's worth of time differences. Crossing the international date line in the Pacific means travelers can either gain or lose an entire day in an instant. The Pacific is not only the largest but also the oldest ocean, with some parts of its seafloor dating back over 200 million years. Its vastness has made it a central part of human exploration, trade, and navigation for thousands of years. Polynesians were among the earliest explorers of the Pacific, using the stars and ocean currents to navigate thousands of miles. European explorers, including Captain James Cook, mapped many of the Pacific's islands and coastlines during the 18th century. Today, the Pacific remains crucial for global trade, with some of the busiest shipping lanes passing through its waters. The ocean's depths hold massive reserves of oil, gas, and minerals that countries are beginning to explore for extraction. Despite its vastness, the Pacific is facing major environmental threats, including rising ocean temperatures and plastic pollution. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a massive collection of floating plastic waste, has grown to be twice the size of Texas. Pollution and overfishing have placed immense pressure on marine life, threatening many of the Pacific's ecosystems. The Pacific Ocean plays a critical role in regulating Earth's climate by absorbing vast amounts of heat and carbon dioxide. Its waters act as a global thermostat, helping to moderate temperatures and sustain weather patterns across the planet. The Pacific is also a major source of seafood, supporting some of the largest fishing industries in the world. Species like tuna, salmon, and shrimp are harvested from the Pacific, providing food for millions of people globally. Despite its vast resources, the Pacific is one of the least understood regions on Earth, with countless mysteries hidden beneath its waves. Researchers believe that millions of undiscovered marine species may live in the unexplored depths of the Pacific. Deep-sea exploration missions have uncovered alien-like creatures, hydrothermal vents, and even evidence of ancient underwater volcanoes. The Pacific's immense size makes it a challenging environment to study, but new technology is helping scientists map its floor in greater detail. Underwater drones, autonomous submarines, and satellite imaging are revolutionizing our understanding of the ocean's depths. As climate change continues to impact the world, scientists are monitoring the Pacific's role in rising sea levels and extreme weather events. Rising temperatures have caused Pacific coral reefs to suffer from mass bleaching, putting marine biodiversity at risk. The Pacific is also home to some of the most powerful waves in the world, attracting surfers from around the globe. Massive waves like those found at Teahupo'o in Tahiti and Jaws in Hawaii are legendary among big-wave surfers. Tsunamis caused by underwater earthquakes and volcanic eruptions are a constant threat in the Pacific due to its seismic activity. The 2011 tsunami in Japan, triggered by a massive earthquake in the Pacific, caused widespread devastation and loss of life. The Pacific Ocean remains one of the greatest natural wonders of the world, filled with endless mysteries and unparalleled beauty. Whether through its immense size, hidden depths, or incredible biodiversity, the Pacific continues to shape life on Earth in countless ways. As scientists continue to explore, new discoveries will further reveal the Pacific's role in sustaining the planet. From its deepest trenches to its highest waves, the Pacific Ocean is a force of nature that defines much of our world. Its sheer scale makes it one of the most important features of Earth, influencing everything from climate to marine life. The next time you look at a world map, remember that the Pacific is not just an ocean, it is a vast and powerful world unto itself.